Hammering from O'Brien's back room echoes through my chest like a pulse I can't escape. Every night the same rhythm, Connor working later, harder, taking on the jobs nobody else wants, fixing what everyone else says is broken beyond repair. The sound travels across the alley, through the walls and straight into my bones, until it becomes the heartbeat of this uneasy season. Folks talk, they say he's showing off, they say he's trying too hard to make the town his own. I hear the O'Neill boys muttering outside the diner, voices slick with jealousy and spite, tossing words meant to stick to him like birds. I keep my back straight, smile polite, but inside I burn. I tell myself he's doing what he's always done, earning his place, proving his worth the only way he knows how. But when I catch his eyes across the street, dark with exhaustion, shattered with something he won't say, I feel the distance settling between us like sawdust in sunlight. I hum the old melody under my breath, slow and steady, trying to build a bridge back to him. The song rises with the smell of oil and wood, carrying the memory of us before the work, before the whispers. In the evenings I walk to McGinty's and sit near the window. The laughter of others feels far away, muffled behind the glass. Sometimes Connor joins me, sometimes he doesn't. When he does, his hands are rougher than before, his smile slower to come, but the warmth in his eyes still finds me, still quiets the ache. The O'Neill boys glare from the bar, saying nothing but meaning everything I sip. My drink tastes the salt of anger and the sweetness of pride all at once. Later, when I lie awake, I replay the rhythm of his tools in my mind. Yeah. The hammer, the saw, the scrape of metal, each sound becomes part of the song. I hum quietly into the darkness. It's not a love song tonight, it's a promise I will not let this town twist what we are. I will not let their jealousy turn him into something he's not. Tomorrow, when the sun rises, I'll bring him breakfast and that melody again, the one that reminds him who he is when no one's watching. And maybe, just maybe, the workshop walls will start to hum back into